welcome to another Glue and Make. My name is Firefighter Paul and I'm on call, so if you hear the bells or my pager, I've got to skedaddle because we've got a fire call. So what are we going to make on Glue and Make today? We're going to make Francis, and Francis is a firefly. Now you can read all about Francis if you go to dwfire.org.uk and go to the education section. Now you can read a wonderful story all about Francis and her adventures. Right, what are we going to need to make Francis the Firefly? First off, you're going to have to go to our website and print out one of the templates. Then you're going to need some plastic white spoons, a pair of scissors, and remember scissors can be sharp, so always ask a grown-up to help you, some bubble wrap, some masking tape or sellotape, some cotton, some paintbrushes, some paint, and of course it wouldn't be Glue and Make without the glue. Hooray! Let's get on with the make. There you go, Francis the Firefly. Now do you remember Stephen from the C19 mini superheroes? Remember what he wants you to do? That's right, stay at home. It's important for you to stay at home. Now of course you can go out for a run, a cycle and a walk, but the rest of the time you must stay at home or in your garden if you're lucky to have one. If we all do this, we will keep everyone safe and well. Hooray! Well, I hope you've enjoyed making Francis as much as I have. Remember, go and read the story, and when you do make Francis the Firefly, send us a photograph. We'd really like to see it. Until the next time, you take care. Bye-bye.